Oh, +2. Ready. Ready.
8 seconds. 12 seconds. Sorry, man, that's a DNF. What happened?
I don't know. I just couldn't play my cross.
Oh yeah, that happens to me all the time.
Yes. Hey guys, this video is just going to be a quick announcement. I recently found out that the Rubiks Cube was never invented, so therefore I'm quitting YouTube, because if the Rubiks Cube doesn't exist, then my channel doesn't exist. So I'm saying goodbye to YouTube today. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I wish I could see you in the next video.
Are you ready now?
No, not yet. The Rubik's Cube hasn't been invented yet.
Is this your first time doing the Megaminx?
Yeah, actually it is.
Well, good luck.
Wait, I'm not ready yet. What are you doing? Wait, what was that?
I don't know. Definitely was not a Megaminx.
Okay, whatever. Let's just get this Megaminx all over with.
Now that's a Megaminx. 8 seconds. Sorry, I'm gonna have to stop you. You reached the cutoff time.
Wait, what's the time limit?
30 seconds.
Wow, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I had a lot of fun making it. So this video is made in celebration of recently hitting 100 subscribers. So thank you so much to everyone who supported me this far. And for those of you wondering, yes, this fidget spinner really is that bad. If you want to see the unboxing of it, I'll put it up here in the top right corner. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.